Hello guys, this is Authap Datto and welcome to our channel 1 to N Teaching. Welcome to the next video of Calculate the Calculus. In the previous video, we have solved some problems from the book Esan De class 11 exercise 3 marks 2 question number 7. Today we will solve the rest. Our first problem is find the differentiation of f theta equal to 4 cos square theta by 2 minus 3 tan pi minus theta. Now from trigonometric relationships we know that 2 cos square theta by 2 is 1 plus cos theta and tan pi minus theta is simply minus tan theta. So combining these two we can conclude f theta is equal to 2 plus 2 cos theta plus 3 tan theta. Now we differentiate f theta. To differentiate f theta, we can write d theta of 2 plus 2 cos theta plus 3 tan theta, which is equal to d theta of 2 plus d theta of 2 cos theta plus d theta of 3 tan theta. Now we know d theta of 2 is 0, d theta of 2 cos theta is simply 2 into minus sin theta, and d theta of 3 tan theta is equal to 3 sec square theta. So combining these we can conclude d theta of f theta is equal to minus 2 sin theta plus 3 sec square theta. Our next problem is find the differentiation of f theta equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta. Before differentiating f theta, we will first simplify it. Now f theta equal to 1 by sin theta cos theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Substituting this for 1, we can write f theta equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta cos theta, which is equal to sin square theta by sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta cos theta. Now sin square theta by sin theta cos theta, reducing it we get sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. Proceeding in the same way, we can get cos square theta by sin theta cos theta is simply cot theta. Now we will differentiate f theta, which is equal to tan theta plus cot theta. We know d theta of tan theta is equal to sec square theta, and d theta of cot theta is minus cosec square theta. From this we can conclude d theta of f theta is simply sec square theta minus cosec square theta. Our next problem is find the differentiation of f theta equal to sin theta plus cos theta by root over 1 plus sin 2 theta. Now we will simplify f theta. F theta equal to sin theta plus cos theta by root over sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Since we know 1 equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta and sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Now we can write f theta equal to sin theta plus cos theta by root over sin theta plus cos theta whole square, which is equal to sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta, which is simply 1. So to differentiate f theta, we will write d theta of 1, which is simply 0. So we will write d theta of f theta, where f theta equal to sin theta plus cos theta by root over 1 plus sin 2 theta is simply 0. Today's last sum is find the differentiation of f theta equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now From the formula of multiple angles in trigonometry, we know that cos 2 theta is simply 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we can write f theta equal to cos theta minus 2 cos square theta plus 1 by 1 minus cos theta. By factorizing these, we can get f theta equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Reducing it, we get f theta equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. Now we differentiate f theta, which is 1 plus 2 cos theta. To differentiate f theta, we can write d theta of 1 plus d theta of 2 cos theta. We know the differentiation of any constant is 0. So d theta of 1 is 0. Now the differentiation of 2 cos theta is 2 into minus sin theta, which is minus 2 sin theta. So the differentiation of f theta, where f theta equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta by 1 minus cos theta, is minus 2 sin theta. Please subscribe our channel 1 to N Teaching to get more videos and click the bell button to get notifications. If you like our video, then please click the like button, drop your comment and share this video.